Want to celebrate the holidays without breaking the bank? Wondering how? Well, listen closely. It's entirely possible and can make your holidays more meaningful and enjoyable than you ever imagined. First off, set a realistic budget for holiday expenses. Include everything from gifts to decorations, food, and entertainment. Next up, make a gift list. Jot down the names of people you'd like to give gifts to. Consider homemade gifts or thoughtful, budget-friendly options. Get creative with DIY decorations. Use materials you already have at home or scout for inexpensive supplies to create your own ornaments, wreaths, and centerpieces. If you're hosting a holiday meal, why not make it a potluck? This way, guests can share in the cost and you can reduce your workload. Shop smart. Take advantage of sales, discounts, and promotions. Start your shopping early to avoid last-minute, more expensive purchases. Consider a secret Santa or gift exchange among family and friends to reduce the number of gifts needed. Don't forget to utilize coupons and cashback offers when shopping for gifts or holiday essentials. Opt for digital holiday cards instead of traditional ones. Many online platforms offer free or low-cost options. Plan low-cost activities like game nights, movie marathons, or outdoor activities for gatherings with friends and family. Communicate with your loved ones about your budgetary constraints. Setting expectations can help reduce pressure to overspend. Explore thrift stores or online marketplaces for unique and affordable gifts. Get crafty with DIY gift wrapping. Use recycled materials or simple, affordable wrapping paper. Instead of physical gifts, consider giving experiences. Cooking a meal together, organizing a game night, or planning a nature hike can be just as memorable. Embrace holiday traditions that don't require significant spending. Spending time with loved ones, decorating the tree, or singing carols can be enjoyable without a hefty price tag. And finally, shop off-season. Purchase decorations, wrapping paper, and other holiday items during post-holiday sales for the following year. Remember, the spirit of the holidays lies in the joy of spending time with loved ones and creating meaningful memories. By focusing on the people and experiences rather than the material aspects, you can celebrate frugally but richly. And with that, we wrap up our tips for a budget-friendly holiday celebration. Don't forget to come back for more financial insights and tips. Like, subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and here's to a merry budget-friendly holiday season.